What are the potential advantages of reaching a stipulation of settlement agreement in New York divorce case as opposed to going to trial?
The number one thing is settlements are a sure thing. Going to trial and putting all of your issues, or at least some of them, in the hands of the judge, you're risking the judge coming up with a resolution that neither one of you like. So that's not always beneficial for the parties. The other thing too is just the cost. It's far less expensive to reach a settlement than to proceed to trial. A lot of times trials are just formalities because by the time a case gets to trial, the judge has seen the parties and heard their arguments over and over and over again at pretrial hearings and conferences, and pretty much has a good idea as to how they're going to decide the case anyway. Um, and so if you proceed to trial in the greater New York City area, conservatively, you're looking at, with a good attorney, you're looking at about $30,000 to $50,000 to do a divorce trial. You could be looking at more than that if the trial is high income, high net worth, or involves complex issues, or a case involves both financial issues and custody slash visitation issues as well. So all of those issues can make the price or the fees on a divorce trial that much more expensive. One also needs to take into consideration at a trial, maybe I'm paying for an attorney for the child or children. Maybe I'm paying experts. Maybe I'm paying for witnesses to come in and subpoenas to be issued. All that inflates the cost of the trial, none of which would need to be done if you just settle the case. So those are the two main reasons to strongly consider doing a divorce settlement as opposed to going to trial, which is how about 95 to 98% of divorces resolve is with a settlement at some point.